Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I need to talk about the bump map and the normal map. If you want to add height to your texture, you need to use normal map or bump. Let's go to the texture folder. I added this image with the texture. Let's see what we have here. We have white circle and black circle here. Let's plug this to the bump and let's see what we will have. I have the same plane here. I will go to the material preview so I can see what I have. I have nothing here, just base color. Let's make this a bit dark, something like this. And let's bring the image from the folder and let's put this right here. Alright. It's a very important thing to switch the color space to non-color because we don't have a color right here. You need to use the color, the RGB color, when you work with the base material, for example. In this case, you need to switch this to color, to RGB. I mean, as RGB, this one right here. Okay. Now what I need to do is, I need to plug the color to the normal to see the effect on my plane. But I can't do that directly from this node to this node because that's not gonna work. I need another node between these two nodes. Let's go to the add menu and let's go to the vector. Here we have bump node here. Let's use this node. I will grab it and put it right here. Alright, after that, let's make this a bit big. What I need to do is I need to plug the color to the height because I need height. And I will plug the normal with the normal. Let's see what will happen here. Alright, now I can see that I have a result here. Alright, as I said, in the image I have white circle and black circle. When you plug an image like this with black and white color, the white color will create an illusion towards the surface. So this is the surface. So as you see now, the white circles pushed towards the surface to this direction, and the black circles goes inside. It's very difficult, a bit difficult to tell that because it's not so quite visible. Let's go to the viewport shading and let's activate the scene light that we have here in the scene, so we can see some reflection here. And for the strength here, I will push this to maybe 3. Just need to make the effect strong. Alright, now I can see that I have some reflection here. The reflection that we have here on the white circle tells us that this circle pushed up towards the face, and the reflection down here in the dark circle tells us that these circles pushed inside. What I want to say is, if you add a black and white image inside the normal socket with the bump node here, the white color will push the material or the texture up, and the black will take it down. This is the idea. So if you want to create a texture, for example, a wood or whatever texture, and if you want to create a height illusion, you can use the bump. Let's go back to the same folder and let's grab one of these images. I will grab this one, wood fine. It's a gloss image, but I will use it to the normal here socket. And let's see what I will get here. I will plug this to the height and let's see what we will get. Now I can see that I have height information for the wood, but it's very strong. I will take this back to 0.5 to make the effect a bit less. Now I can create good material, especially if I add the base color as well with it. Let's take this one, this image, let's take it and let's plug it to the base color right here. Okay, now the texture is uh, more believable because we have some height, but the height is a bit, the strength a bit high. I will take this 2.1 maybe. Alright, that makes sense. Alright, so this is why we need to work with the bump. We need to simulate that height to make the final result of the texture or the material more realistic. We can work with the bump and we can work with normal as well. Normal is similar to the bump, and we can plug a normal map to the normal socket right here, and I will show you how can we achieve this. Let's go back to the same folder. We have this image right here. It's called normal, wood fine normal. I will open it. This is the normal map. This is how it looks. I will bring this image and plug it to the normal socket. I will grab those. I will cut the connection. Control Alt right click. Sorry, Control right click and cut it. And let's put this right here. To plug the normal map to the normal socket right here, it is wrong to plug it like this. That's not gonna work. We need to go back to the add and go to the vector and choose normal map. Let's add the normal map right here. I will plug the color with the color here and plug the normal with the normal, and let's see what we will get here. Alright, now I can see that I have height information here as well, and from this slider I can control the strength as well. But it's very important to switch the color to non-color. Even if you see color here when you open the image, it's not black and white. I can see a color here, but even this color exists. It's wrong to leave it as RGB. Let's delete this one. Let's cut the connection here, and let's switch the color to RGB and let's see what will happen. Alright, this is the result. This result is not correct, but this one is correct. So keep in your mind to switch the color space to non-color when you work with the normal. If you go to the internet and type normal map texture, you will find a lot of images here in Google. You can download whatever image that you like and use it to see how the normal is work. Let's scroll down and let's see what we have. We have a lot of images here we can use in the normal to understand the normal more and more. This is nice normal map for iron plate. You can download it and use it. And here we have very nice patterns. So if you download any image from here and use it, you need to change the color space from sRGB to non-color. That's very important. Alright, let's go back. In the end, what I want to say is the most important sockets that make the material realistic is the base color and the roughness and the normal. If you want to create realistic material with some imperfection, it's very important to add a height information to your material to make it looks fine. The other sockets that we have here, they are important as well, but we will focus most of the time on the base color and the normal and the roughness. So that will do it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.